What's up, guys? Pardon the mess over here. I'm kind of doing some internal work over here, but today I'm installing this BMS clutch stop. It's supposed to be a pretty significant upgrade over the stock clutch stop, which is kind of a small little plastic washer, which you can barely see. So we're going to be taking that out, putting this in, going to remove some dead space from our clutch pedal. They recommend all three kind of washers over here. We're kind of going to see and use it as we go. If we need to remove some of the washers so we can get kind of the ultimate feel. So this car came with already has the clutch delay valve deleted by the previous owner of this transmission. My buddy actually deleted it himself, and so we put it on my car. We just didn't add it back in because there's really no point. So this should be pretty much the ultimate way to kind of speed up your shifts in the cheapest way possible. So it was like 10 bucks, I want to say. I was just kind of ordering some other stuff from BMS, and I figured, well, why not? This is right here. I can probably improve it a little bit. So very easy to install. I'm going to show you guys how to do that real quick. Alright, so first up we got to remove the 3 torque screws from the bottom down here. So 1, 2, 3, they're all T20s. And the entire panel should kind of drop. There'll be a couple electrical connectors, you need to disconnect those temporarily. And then we can get to the clutch stop. So this tiny thing right here is actually our clutch pedal stop. I'm going to try and remove that. It's kind of hard to get to, but just kind of pop that. There we go. This is pretty funny. Here's a stock clutch pedal stop on the left here, kind of this tiny little thing, and then here's the BMS one. So should be very noticeable. Hopefully I like it, obviously. But if I have any problems with it, I'm going to reduce the, take out some spacers over here. We can just have a little bit less intrusive, but should be a good thing, I think. Putting the new one in should be very easy. Pretty self-explanatory. You just got to push it in as far as you can. To install that was such a pain, man. I mean, I had to like push it around and it was not really going in. Then once I finally got it in, I actually found that with the 3 kind of stops in there, the car wouldn't even start. So the clutch pedal switch didn't even activate with the 3 kind of inserts in. So for BMWs and for a 335 especially, at least in my case, that's what I'm got over here, definitely only use 2. Only use 2 of those stoppers. In fact, I couldn't even get it out to remove that stopper, so I had to kind of like break the stopper out and kind of rip it out of that thing by cutting it, and it was just at a terrible angle. And they say installs in minutes, and yeah, sure, but like 20 minutes. Not super easy to install as they kind of claim it is, and unfortunately that's just how it is. But hopefully it'll make up for it in how it affects the driving dynamics of the car. I can already feel it's a lot shorter to press in the clutch, which never really found it to be an issue. Just kind of figured, why not? So I mean, maybe I did something wrong, but I don't think I did. It's a very simple install to do. Yeah, I'll let you guys know pretty much out of this clip on how I feel about it and how it reacts, how I drive. Quick update on the BMS clutch pedal stop. Now, it made a bad pain to install and was kind of janky, but I gotta say, it makes a huge difference in how you drive the car. Getting away from stoplights and all that's much easier now. I can shift a lot faster with more confidence, and I'm really happy with that actually. So, despite the jankiness of the design and the install, that only has to happen once. So from now on, the car is a lot smoother to drive. I do recommend it if you guys would like to have that kind of difference. Not like there's anything really wrong with it before, but it is something positive. So, and I can see what they mean about how the metal designs may have some rattling associated with it. So this obviously is made of plastic and rubber, so none of that happening here. That's it for this video. Hopefully it helped you out, and maybe you want to consider buying one. But like I said, the install is not necessarily pleasant.